Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And just in case you do not know how to do this, I thought I'd throw it out there just in case. You never know. There could be 1,000 other videos out there that have this. Just going to teach you how to create an ISO with Nero. It's real simple. Just go to Extras, Save Tracks. That's it. Make sure you have the DVD drive or CD drive that's in the drive that you want to do. You want to create an ISO. You can click the output file format from NRG to ISO. That's it. Click Browse where the location you want to go and then name your file. And that's it. Hit save. Done. It'll create the file up here. Actually, once I hit go. And then the file should start here. There it is. And I'm creating a Windows 2008 server ISO so I can create a bootable CD-ROM drive. And that's it. And once this is completed, goes all the way over to the far right. It's completed and you're done. And then you have a ISO of whatever you need. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We're already at 11 megabytes a second. We're ripping along here. Take care, and we'll see you next time.